Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to join a league in FC Mobile. Leagues are a great way to compete with other players, earn rewards, and take your team to the next level. Whether you are new to FC Mobile or just looking to join a league, this guide will make it easier for you. Launch open the FC Mobile game on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. From the home page of FC Mobile, tap on Leagues at the bottom. From the league menu that pops up on the screen, tap on Join Now. On the next page, you can look for any league to join into. Go ahead and select the leagues that you want to join into from the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side you will see the Join button. To join into the league, tap on Join on the right to become a member instantly. If the league is invite only or requires approval, you'll need to wait for the leader to accept your request. If it is open, you'll be able to become a member instantly. You'll see the league listed under your profile or league menu once you have done joining in. So that is how you will be able to join in to a league on FC Mobile. You can now participate in league matches, chat with members, and earn rewards. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.